Hey guys, Evan here. Uh, Currently living in Sydney, Australia as an entrepreneur involved in many startups. I'm going to brace you for something because you will not be used to seeing things like this. This is things that the government, schools, universities, Gary Vee, no one wants you to see. This is the view from the top, and it's going to intimidate some of you, and that's okay. You see, a lot of people think that I'm not spiritual just because I'm in technology and business and I thrive in that environment. But I have a spiritual side to me. Like just now, having climbed these steps, of course, I see them very much as an omen. And this is a sign for the steps to success in life. And this happened on Friday evening during my Steps to Success walk. So now, perspective is everything. There are 80 steps here, right? And this is the thing. People underestimate how many steps there are to success. Now, I'm not a naive guy. Like, I prefer to be a realist, even though in my work I have to push boundaries. And I know that I'm not going to get all the way up the 80 steps. A lot of people, I think that they think that I'm like already at the top. But I know I have so much further to go, and I'll probably never get there. And that's what's exciting to me. See, I'm probably like here, like what? Like 30, 20 even. But most people are not there. Though they think they're there, most people are like, no, I'm gonna keep going. Most people are like fucking somewhere around here. It's just like so hard to hear them talk about them thinking they're higher than they are. But I mean, there's just a bit of ignorance in the world. Like, I just accept that. I'm just so grateful that it's not me who's ignorant.